Direct replacement. This tailgate handle matches the fit and function of the original handle on specific vehicles. Durable construction. This part is made of quality materials for a long service life. Saves money. This tailgate handle delivers original equipment quality at a competitive price. Quality assured. This tailgate handle has undergone testing to assure proper fit and durability over a long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Direct replacement for a proper fit every time. Backed by Dorman's limited lifetime warranty. New products, new solutions, new opportunities. A quality part backed by a Dorman limited lifetime warranty. This tailgate handle matches the fit and function of the original handle in specific vehicles. Constructed of durable materials, this handle is manufactured to quality standards to ensure reliability over the long haul. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. Upgrade from a non-locking tailgate handle. Everything lined up and bolted in place. Works well.